27th, 2026, and I am in Wayne County, Kentucky, and check out that cross. Crosses all over Wayne. Cool barn, cool cross. Nice. And right after that, the Dollar General. This is 90 West, and I'm not even kidding. In like 20 to 30 miles, there's probably 5 of them. Or more. Probably more. More like 8 of them. I can't count. Now we're in Clinton County. Alright, well that's leaving Wayne. Bye Wayne County. I liked you guys. Established 1835 in Clinton County. Let's see what they got. A nice white fence there. Barn. Cemetery. Now we should be coming into Alpha. I was done recording for the day, but it's starting to, get, well, I was going to say less gloomy, but the sun's trying to peek out way up there. Clinton County, next to the flag. Oh, nice. Oh, I love it. I love all those crosses. And what's this? Dell Hollow Lake. I've seen enough lakes this trip. I don't mind them, it's just they made so many, literally. Okay. Oh, is that another Dollar General? Are you kidding me? Dollar General, small town America. 1 in 21,000. There's the copper. He got him somebody. He's got a nice cop car. Wait, is that a Baymont Inn in the middle of nowhere? Are we in the middle of nowhere? There's another flag. I'm very patriotic here in Clinton County and Wayne County. All of Kentucky, actually. Thank goodness. Another auction. And Career Center. Okay, so that sign said Burkesville, like 15 miles. And then right before Burkesville, I had Alpha, Snow, and Bow. B-O-W. Just small little areas. We've lost a lot of our small towns, as you all probably know if you've been watching my channel. And sometimes, thankfully, they'll be on the map, and sometimes there'll be a town on the map and it's just not there at all. Oh, Tyson. It's a Albany facility. Surprised they haven't closed that one yet. So Albany, Kentucky. I guess this is considered Albany. the smallest counties in Kentucky. Look how nice it is. The sun coming out finally. It's 6:38, just in time for sunset. Bright, extremely bright. What's up? Dill Hollow Lake State Resort Park. See, now, before you couldn't see anything and everything was gloomy, and now all you can see is how dirty my windshield is. Here we are, Burkesville.